There's this famous adage, good things come in threes. How it became popular, who knows? But regardless of the credibility of who said it, a better version could be, good things come in fours. 4 cardinal directions, 4 classical elements, 4 seasons, 4 suits in a deck, 4 horsemen, 4 gospels. And in every 4 years, a new rector is elected or re-elected at Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Waking up at 5:30 in the morning, just before the appointed time, is a normal thing for him. He gets up, prays, sometimes longer than that. Consciously or not, the world has moved with such precision and sometimes with roll-your-eyes predictability that we tend to overly lament or curiously attribute the tedium and the occasional conundrum to the mystical or to anything that's more entertaining than what is in front of us. However, there are those who operate well in that kind of precision, like this one. Then the bell rings at 6. At 6:30, he troops to the oratorio, a chapel if you must know, and prays again, more formally, more solemnly, more holy, or holier. And this particular man has managed to go beyond the comforts of trusting in one's own capabilities to encouraging a whole community to strive towards a unified goal. More often than not, it wouldn't show. Him sitting there on the breakfast table with his balanced meal, washing it down with, no, not coffee, but milk. Then, browsing through whatever daily is given him. But, without a doubt, he has done things. Things and new things, as if to keep up with the times, ushering a revered institution into the modern age with catchphrases and trendy dance moves. That and more, and that's just after breakfast. He puts on his habit again, the Dominican robe, and at 8:30, he would be on his way to his office to face the challenges of administrative work. 50 steps toward reality, so to speak. And yes, we counted, or assumed. With each step, the determination to aim for excellence, for quality, for a good reputation. Who is this protagonist that we put so much focus on right now? He is a pursuer of knowledge. He is an accomplished author. He is a willing servant. He is a Dominican through and through. The more popular saying is that good things come in threes, or maybe they do in fours. Reverend Father Clarence Victor Cuevas Marquez of the Order of Preachers, our protagonist, might concur, or might have something else to say about it. But regardless, after being elected the rector and president of Colegio de San Juan de Letran for the second time, he would have 4 more years to make that adage true. Siyempre, arriba! Siyempre, Letran.